Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. Today, I want to talk to you about something that seems small and is most of the times overlooked, but it is actually very important and it can change the power of your emails significantly. I am talking about email signature. So in today's video, I will talk about how to make email signature quickly and conveniently. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to hit the red subscribe button and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our videos. So first of all, click on the link given in the description and you will be landed to this page. Here in the left hand side section, you can see templates. Here you can choose anyone you like. So there are 6 templates altogether. You can choose any. So for now I'm going to choose first template and then click on this highlighted area, and in this field you have to enter your details. Here you have to enter your first name and last name here, and job title, department, company name, phone number, website URL, email address respectively. And now you have to enter your social media links here. So let me enter. Okay, let's enter LinkedIn link. So like this you can enter the link of Instagram and Twitter too. Now if you want any custom field, then you can use this option. For now it's enough for me. So now click on this area with brush. So here you can choose the background color and you can choose font size and font of the text given here. So there is leave it default. And then here you have to upload your profile picture and company logo. So for this you must upload your profile picture and company logo in Google Drive, and now copy the link of your picture and logo here. So let me copy this and paste it here. As you can see, this my photo is shown there. So let's copy the link of logo too. Now you can see our company logo there. So after this, click on create signature, and my signature is ready. Now you can copy signature and you can copy signature source code also. So for now let's copy signature. Now to utilize this signature, go to Google Mail and click on settings, and then scroll down. You can see the options for email signature. Just press Ctrl V in your keyboard. So as you can see guys, my email signature is ready. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Till Then goodbye.